Diva is a female version of a hustler, of a hustler, of a hustler. Na diva is a female version of a hustler, of a hustler, of a hustler. Stop the track. Let me say.
What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this video is a little different, not really planned. So it is going to be about 50% makeup, 50% hair. As you can see, my hair is already in a protective style up under this slap cap. So what I'm doing, I'm going ahead with my makeup because I attempted earlier today to do just a crochet with the faux locks crochet hair, and that was a major fail. So I just said, you know what, I'm done with it for today. I may try it again later. And the method I took was just some individual braids. I didn't want to crochet my hair, I didn't want to do like braids to the scalp. I wanted individuals, and it just did not work. So anyways, I have some individual braids of my natural hair, and then I just took, instead of undoing those braids because it was already in some type of a protective style, I just went ahead and threw some of the small white and gray little perm rods on the end, and I'm just gonna see what this turns out like. So the perm rods should give my braids the wave pattern, just a bit of a curl on the end, and hopefully it turns out cute. I don't know, we'll see. So I'm just gonna do some makeup. I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm going to be using some of the L'Oreal foundation. I've already prepped and primed my skin. I'm gonna throw some lashes on, and I'm gonna use a bronzer instead of contouring. I'm gonna do a little highlight, and so I'm gonna go ahead and let you all get into this video, and I'll come back at the end.
Turn off your phone, I just wanna see you spin around like a cyclone. I hope you got insurance, no Geico. I'm about to need a girl like Michael, no Tyson. You can kiss a girl, but no biting. This my city, what you used to. This the type of shit you ain't used to. Know you're probably worried what I'm used to. I don't blame you, what you supposed to do. Last time we fucked, it was all night. Now you got me thinking about you all night. Me and you seem like we'll be alright. Long we can keep it up all night. Blunt full, yeah, I'm on. I poured up and she ready. Leave here, I'm too on. Tell me where I'm headed. Detour, oh no. You know I'm faded. Dolce, and I love that. Come here, you know it there. Hold up, girl, what's going on? I just wanna see your sexy ass and that little thong, no interruption. Turn off your phone, I just wanna see you spin around like a cyclone. I hope you got insurance, no Geico. I'm about to need a girl like Michael, no Tyson. You can kiss a girl, but no biting. This my city, what you used to. This the type of shit you ain't used to. Know you're probably worried what I'm used to. I don't blame you, what you supposed to do. Last time we fucked, it was all night. Now you got me thinking about you all night. Me and you seem like we'll be alright. Long we can keep it up all night. Blunt full, yeah, I'm on. I poured up and she ready. Leave here, I'm too on. Tell me where I'm headed.
Alright, so I'm just going to finish this style out by just picking it out a little bit to help loosen it up, give it some volume, and hide those parts to be unexpected of a style. I think it turned out pretty good. I'm going to just finish it off by just laying my edges a little bit with my 48-hour edge control. I hope you all like this video, and I will see you all again next week.
Girl, like Michael, no Tyson.